How much does it cost to start a small business? Hi, I'm Candice Cane. I'm a tax consultant here at Robert Hall & Associates, and today we're talking about how much it costs to start a small business. I'm going to talk about the setup fees, the continuing fees, and other fees that you might not think about when you're doing your setup. So when you incorporate a small business, you're going to have a state-specific registration fee. For instance, in California, that's about $250. If you pay someone to set up your corporation, they're going to have some sort of a fee as well. So you can expect to pay between $300 and $900 just to set up your entity in the state that your business is in. Now, you also are going to have some reoccurring fees. So in California, there's an $800 minimum tax for a corporation. That's every year, whether you do business or not, you're going to have that fee. And then other states, sometimes it's a little bit lower than that, and there's a lot of states that don't have any fees. So check into your specific state to see what your fees are going to be. There's also some registration fees in cities and counties depending on where you get your business license. So think about that as well. Along with those fees, you're going to have recurring legal and professional fees. So you're going to need a tax return for your company, and every year you're going to pay that fee. I usually expect my companies to pay about $2,500 a year in the fees just to keep the business running. Now, you want to do that when you're saving more taxes than that $2,500 in fees. So make sure that it's to your best advantage before you go ahead and set up a corporation. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel at Robert Hall & Associates. Also go to our website if you'd like to sign up for a free consultation with one of our consultants. Thank you.